Introducing Sony's Handycam camcorder that shoots in 3D with full HD. Two sensors capture full HD 3D video for a richer, more immersive 3D experience. View your video on the ultra-high resolution 3D touch panel LCD without the need for dedicated 3D glasses. And you can enjoy the freedom of recording all your precious memories in 3D and play them back however you like. Review your video easily on the 3.5-inch display. Experience remarkably high contrast and brightness from True Black technology. Achieve stunning results even in low light conditions. The sensor inside improves image clarity and drastically reduces grain, so you can concentrate on capturing those precious memories instead of worrying about lighting conditions. Conveniently group your images and videos together by event with Event Browse. Enjoy short, entertaining movies the highlight playback feature creates with just a touch of a button. Complete with music and transitions, this feature makes enjoying your memories in a brand new way exciting and effortless. Upload directly to YouTube,